6 ways to make money on Snapchat. Hey there, Snapchatters. Are you ready to turn your snaps into cash? In this video, we'll explore 6 creative ways to make money on Snapchat. Let's dive in. 1. Snapchat ads. Create engaging Snap ads or design custom geofilters for businesses or events. Get paid for every click or view. 2. Branded content. Partner with brands for sponsored content or takeovers. Show off your creativity and influence for a paycheck. 3. Premium content. Offer exclusive, adult-oriented content or educational tutorials to subscribers for a fee. Share your expertise and get paid. 4. E-commerce. Promote and sell products directly to your Snapchat audience or leverage dropshipping for passive income. Cash in on your sales skills. 5. Crowdfunding. Launch a Patreon or Kickstarter campaign and offer exclusive perks or rewards to supporters. Get funded for your passion projects. 6. Affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links or discount codes with your followers and earn commissions on sales. Make money while you sleep. So there you have it. 6 ways to make money on Snapchat. Which method are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Happy snapping!